Hello traders, this is Chris from AAAFx taking a look at gold, and you can see we did get that slight pullback during the trading session I talked about yesterday, with 2050 being very difficult to get above. All you have to do is look at the weekly chart and see what I see. Now, that being said, it doesn't mean that it is an opportunity to start selling. It's just that it's not an opportunity to start buying. You could see a blast off like in the Dow Jones 30 that I just did a video on a few minutes ago for the upcoming session. But more often than not, especially in an area that's been so historically important, you will see a pullback. And that's what I'm kind of hoping to see here. There are various inflection points, 2000 being, for me, where I want to see the market drop to in order to pick up value. Seems like a long way away, but it is only $35 in the big scheme of things. When you look at the hourly chart, you can see we are just kind of drifting a little lower. So if you want a little bit quicker entry, 2020 would be nice. But again, I would love to see 2000. If we get a daily close above 2050, I think at that point you're going to punch through a resistance. Going back to the longer term chart, you can see that we had kind of chopped along this area. This was the ultimate entry point, just above 1800. Now the question is, can we punch through 2050, 2100? Somewhere around 2180 is really when you'll start to see a lot of FOMO trading. It'll be interesting to see how this plays out. You do have to pay attention to those yields in the United States. They're getting very oversold. Meaning bonds are getting overbought. So that may come into the picture as well. We may see a snapback in yield. That might be your opportunity to buy. Well, I have to wait and see. The RSI is in the overbought condition and breaking lower during the day. Not overly concerned about the trend in gold. Just think that if you are patient, you might be able to pick up a little bit of value.